like what we do, and hope to actually see more, do subscribe to our Instagram.
You keep forgetting this part.
Okay, never mind. You say subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you are living in a 4-room BTO unit, or let's say if you are waiting for your keys, have you ever had that unspeakable feeling when you step into a living area of a 5-room unit? Quite small, right? For this project itself, I'm going to show you how we can actually make your living area look bigger without giving one of your room space. Alright, so you guys have actually seen the process itself. Remember that I mentioned earlier on, we can actually make your living space look bigger? Why not let our flooring do the talking? If you like what we do and hope to see more, you may follow our Instagram or subscribe to our YouTube channel.